Hi guys, and welcome back to the UDA TV series. In today's session, we'll be looking at how to complete a forward roll. So to complete this skill, you need 4 requirements. A tuck shape, a rock back, rock to stand, and a bunny hop. Here at UDA, we always say what's most important is that we have our pulse raiser, which is our warm-up. So today, we're looking at hop overs. If we want to do this at home, we could possibly use a sock, or if you want an extra challenge, but really safely, using a nice tall water bottle. Here today at UDA, we're going to be using a cone. So now to achieve this skill, we're going to place the cone right in front of us. I'm going to ask Soraya to kindly step forward for me. Using 2 feet to begin with, jump either side of the cone at least 10 times. Once you get comfortable with that, you're going to start hopping with 1 foot at a time. Lovely, and then switch legs. Lovely, just like that. Now, if you want a challenge, see how many you can do in 30 seconds. Okay, now, for the next exercise, we're looking at a tuck shape. So now what we want to be thinking about is getting our knees up towards our chest, keeping our hands firmly in front of us, and making sure there's a slight gap in between our knees so we don't knock our chin in towards our knee. So now we've completed our tuck shape. You're going to then return back to the tuck shape. So let's see the tuck shape, please, Soraya. Lovely. Now we're going to place our hands either sides of our shins. We're now going to rock back on towards our mat. That could be your duvet, your cushion, your piles of towels. You're going to hold onto your shins now, rock back and sit back up to your tuck shape that we learned at the beginning. Just like that. Now, if you want a little bit more of a support, that's okay. You can hold gently at the back of the neck and one on the shin. She's going to rock back for me. I'm just going to guide her back up to return back to her seated position. Once you've completed your rock back, which looks like this, you're now going to start to prepare yourself to look at doing a rock to stand. So now how we achieve that, we want to start thinking about going into our rock back, but this time we're going to reach forward nice and tight in front of us and try and stand up on our feet. So we'll look a bit like this. Now we're going to be looking at a bunny hop. How we're going to achieve this skill, you can ask someone to support you. That could be a parent, a carer, or someone that you trust. And I'm going to ask Soraya to stand on the mat for me, please. You as the supporter are going to go down on one knee and ask the participant to put their hands on the mat. You're then going to ask your participant to make sure that they're looking at their hands, and you are going to place your hands either side of the hips and help them lift them up towards the ceiling and back down towards the floor safely. Okay, so now for this next skill, we're going to try and look at completing this forward roll. So we're going to create a slope. We here are very fortunate and we have some things that can help us make a slope. Now how you can achieve this at home is using a pillow and getting something underneath it to create a slope. We're making sure that that area is nice and soft so we're not hurting ourselves. So how we achieve this now? We're going to look at our bunny hop. We're going to look at our rock to stand. We're going to look at that tuck shape to allow us to elevate ourselves to stand up on our feet to complete the forward roll. So now Soraya is going to demonstrate her beautiful forward roll for me. Just like that. Okay, once you're now comfortable with doing forward rolls down the slope and safely, you're now going to return back to a nice soft area which you can try and complete this forward roll by yourself. If you are the parent or carer or the trustee to help you do a forward roll with a participant, all you need to do is crouch back down towards the floor. The participant is now going to crouch down to be at your level. You're going to place your hands on the inside of their stomach and the other hand on their back, securely sandwiching them so they feel nice and secure. She's now going to tuck her head in, attempt her bunny hop, going over for the forward roll and standing up on her feet like this. And that last hand will help them guide them up towards their feet. And now, once you feel comfortable, make sure your parent or carer or trustee can stand on the side just to make sure that you are safe going over for your full roll by yourself. Okay, we're going to give some UDA tips and tricks here. So you can now use a sock, or you could use something a little bit bigger, but something that can fit underneath your chin or between your knees. In this instance, I'm going to use a beanbag. We're going to place the beanbag underneath your chin and return back into that tuck shape that we talked about earlier. She's now going to attempt to do her rock back to her seated position again without dropping the beanbag. So it'll look a bit like this. Excellent. And now you've done that, maybe try between your knees this time. Make it a little bit more challenging. Just like that. Now tell me if that helps you in any way. The team at UDA would love to see all your amazing forward rolls, wouldn't we? So please could you send it to us at UDA UK.